This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lorraine de Montigny. New roof October 2023, all new wiring in the home. Freshly painted interior. Brand new refrigerator and stove. No HOA. Lovingly cared for 3-bedroom 2-bath home, oversized 2-car garage, large screened porch, private deck and more. Enter into spacious foyer. To the right step into breakfast/dining which flows to kitchen with updated solid surface counters/cabinets. Generous great room offers flexibility and wood-burning fireplace. Guest bath has updated tile shower. Don't miss the spacious guest room with access to deck. Owner's suite features adjoining office/den with sliding doors to deck. Convenient location, yet tucked away. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorraine de Montigny at 321-768-7600.